I want to talk about navigating the decision process specifically with a technique called developing a report card. I have a 13-year-old son named Sam. Every time I ask Sam throughout the year, how are your grades? I get the same answer, right? All of that, right? All A's, Dad. Everything's perfect, right? And I'm pretty sure I don't believe him, but I can't call him because I got no proof on it, right? Just like when a prospect's version, and they say this, hey, looks really good, let me take it up line, but we're in business. Hey, my boss is gonna love this, I'll call you back, right? Your solution looks way better than what we currently have and others. If we don't have a checklist or report card, just like my son Sam, we are forced to believe this because we can't say liar, liar, pants on fire. Let's talk about the one specific question that I want us to get better at asking in this process. And it's basically assuming you love everything about what I'm about to show you, right? You love how it's gonna work, you love the company, you love the product. What steps on your end, Mr. and Mrs. Prospect, do you need to go through to make this happen? Right? We don't ask that question typically this way because we're so concerned about what we need them to do for us, right? But I want to know if they loved it and they were going to buy it, what do they have to do, right? When you ask that question, you get a host of answers to some of the traditional decision processes question, right? Who, what, when, where, how. You may find out that there's legal steps or other departments involved, or they have to generate a purchase order, or they're gonna go back to their incumbent. So there's a lot of information that you can find out when they walk you through the timeline of steps in a report card that they're giving that to you. The only thing I would say is, make sure you're taking very good notes on their steps. And then I would probably create a checklist of action items that they've conveyed to you, right? I have my checklist of things I need to get done, and the prospect has theirs. We're walking through the process together. This way, if they step out of the process, right? So if there's a date assigned to one of their steps that they had conveyed to you in their report card, and they don't take it, now you can take it away by saying, hey, look, at some point it seems like maybe this is not a priority for you anymore. You were supposed to go to legal team, you didn't do that. I can only assume maybe we're done here, right? And force them back into the process or away from the process, right? Which is crucial. I think, when we do that one question first, we get a whole host of information that we can ask then subsequent questions as well, so that we can figure out in this process, are we gonna get the go ahead or are we gonna get the go away, right? Good luck